Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to send money from your Ledger Flex To do it, you'll need to have your Ledger Flex as well as a mobile device or a computer with Ledger Live app or Ledger Live desktop app installed. Then, first of all, make sure that you have the app for the type of asset you want to send installed on your device. What I mean by that is, you can see I have Solana and I will be sending Solana. But if you don't have the app that you want to send asset from, then you'll need to go to My Ledger, select your ledger, then add the type of app. Like for example, click on plus in Ethereum, wait for a moment and it'll appear here. Now go to wallet, and if you don't have any account yet, then click on add account. Now I'm gonna select use your Ledger device, then Solana, because that's what I'm gonna be sending. Now it'll automatically load because my device is near. Let's open the Solana app to approve it. And it'll start scanning the blockchain for existing accounts. If you want to learn more about accounts, you can watch a video on our channel on Ledger Live app, on accounts in Ledger Live, and it's in general for the app, not for this exact device. And if there's any account created, basically if your wallet with the same recovery phrase and possibly a passphrase if you use one, if it was already used and it had any money on it, then it'll appear that it exists in the blockchain. You can see in my case it does. I can rename it if I want, but I don't need to. And you can also add a new account if you wish. I'm gonna be using the existing one. If you didn't have any money like on the account with the same recovery phrase, because maybe you've just set it up recently on this device and didn't use it yet, or didn't use the certain asset yet, then you can select a new account, right? But I'm gonna be using the existing one. Then I'm gonna close here, and to send you'll need to click on send, right? Now select the account, so I'm gonna select Solana. Now enter the address or scan a QR code of the recipient's address. I'm gonna go to Coinbase and just copy my own address because that's where I'm gonna be receiving the crypto. Let's select Solana, let's copy the address, and now let's paste it here. Now you can also add a memo, and a memo is pretty important in things like exchange accounts, but of course you'll be told about it, that you'll need to add a memo, and please remember about it if you need to add one. I'm gonna click on don't add a tag because I don't need one. Now I'm gonna click on use max to just transfer however much I can, although you can just type in the amount here, but as I said, I'm gonna use max. Now let's continue, and you can see everything here is listed basically, so I'll need to continue. Then on the device I'll see everything, but it has locked itself, so I'll need to unlock it first. Now it'll ask me to review transaction. I'll need to see the transfer amount, the fees, and the recipient address. Hold this sign to sign. Now it's signed. And now the transaction is sent, and it'll shortly show up in my balance that the balance is a bit lower. It should be like about 12 or 13 cents, and yeah, it's done. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.